Hey everybody, so we got a quick unboxing to do, box from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Small little box, little paquito. Alright everybody, so got this little box to open. It's a little paquito box, little tiny box. I need to grab a knife. Just grab one out of the toolbox. Bubble wrap. I'm just gonna pop this on camera for the fun of it. So these are 3/8, 3/8, quarter and quarter-inch. These are clips. So these are the part number for the 3/8. Should be 24. Part number is Charlie Paul 380224 for the 3/8. And for the quarter-inch, it is part number Charlie Paul 140224. Okay, so the 14 is representing quarter-inch. 0224 is probably the rest of the part number. And this one right here is Charlie Paul 380224. So these are the 3/8, which means that I have the order that's coming in should have the 3/4 and the 1/2 inch, and it should have my blank rails too. You can buy, just because, so you guys understand what I mean by blank rails, you can actually buy these rails right here without any clips on them, if you want, and then you could just buy the clips if you wanted to do it that way. Or say you have something particular that doesn't have any rails, but you have a bunch of these clips already, you can just buy the rail. So I didn't just buy all these 1/2 inch rails. It's 8 of them. I also bought 2 24 packs. These should be 24 packs, I'm sorry. So there's 2 24 packs of quarter, 2 24 packs of 3/8. The other package should have 2 24 packs of the 1/2 inch, and there should be 2 24 packs of the 3/4 inch. And then I should be getting in 5 red blank rails with no clips on them. But that's what I picked up in this. Not really sure why they didn't just throw them all in the same box. This box was big enough to put all of those clips in. Yeah, I don't understand why they did that. They put literally 4 little baggies in this giant box when they could have put 8 baggies in this box. It would have at least made a little more sense. But, you know, Amazon seems to be wasting packaging a lot lately. But it is what it is. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. These do not come with Olsa Tool stickers. I'm not worried about it. In the previous video, the Guess What's in the Box video, if you did get the guess right, I will go through the comments, find out who guessed right first, and I'll send you guys, I'll get your guys' information. If there was more than one person that guessed at the same time in the same spot of the video or whatever, I will find out, and I will just send out stickers by getting your guys' information. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the top of the description below, very top, there will be a link for you guys that Olsa Tools custom created for me, that you guys can click on with my initials at the end for Olsa Tools, and it will take you to Olsa Tools website, and it will give you 10% off your order. You probably can use the link more than once. I don't know. I haven't spoken to Mark about it yet, but I do know that you can get 10% off that link if you click on it. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the small little video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace!